Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Baratza Virtuoso grinder, and this one was brought here because it wasn't running properly, and we just had to replace this one that you see right here. This is one of the top burrs, and we also had to replace the casing. It was kind of getting stuck in there. We replaced the little rubber just for good measure as well, and yeah, we're just gonna test it out, starting with the tire. And as you can see, the manual button works. But right now in the very fine settings, we're gonna see some really fine powder coming out of the grinder. Then we're just gonna work our way up. And as you can see, extremely powdery. Now we're gonna grind more coarser. Just leave it now just to have more coffee. Different setting. And as you can see, very fine powder, either one coarse. Perfectly fine. So yeah, it's running that. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.